Seed oils are everywhere. From salad dressings to fast food, they're in nearly every processed food we eat. But there's a growing debate. Are these oils actually as harmful as some claim? Today we're uncovering the truth about seed oils. Stick around, because this might change the way you think about your diet. First, let's understand what seed oils are. These are oils extracted from seeds like sunflower, soybean, canola, and corn. They've become the go-to cooking oils in recent decades due to their high smoke point and low cost. But just because they're cheap and common doesn't mean they're all good for you. On one hand, seed oils do have some health benefits. They contain polyunsaturated fats, which can help reduce bad cholesterol levels, potentially lowering the risk of heart disease. Plus, oils like sunflower oil contain vitamin E, an antioxidant known for supporting your immune system and skin health, so they aren't completely bad, right? However, here's where it gets tricky. While seed oils may lower cholesterol, recent studies suggest that they could also be contributing to inflammation in the body. Some experts argue that the high omega-6 fatty acids in seed oils, when consumed in excess, may disrupt the balance of omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids, leading to chronic inflammation. And we all know, inflammation is a root cause of many health problems, from heart disease to autoimmune conditions. Another issue with seed oils is how they're processed. These oils are often refined using chemicals and high heat, which may create harmful byproducts like trans fats and oxidized fats. Some research suggests that these compounds could be harmful to our health, potentially increasing the risk of heart disease and even cancer. So, what's the takeaway here? Should you completely avoid seed oils? Not necessarily. Moderation is key. You don't need to panic every time you see a salad dressing with sunflower oil. But it's a good idea to focus on healthier fat sources like olive oil, avocado oil, or even coconut oil when possible. By diversifying your fats, you can reduce the risks and enjoy a more balanced diet. Ultimately, while seed oils aren't inherently bad, it's important to be aware of how much you're consuming and to make mindful choices. For more tips on nutrition and living your healthiest life, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Check out our other videos right here for more tips on nutrition, fitness, and overall well-being. Keep watching and stay on top of your health journey. Thanks for watching.